Kalimat bahasa Inggris keren untuk komunikasi yang lebih baik. Aku sudah siap. I'm all set. I'm all set. I'm all set. Kamu keren. You rock. You rock. You rock. Aku sudah terbiasa. I'm used to it. I'm used to it. I'm used to it. Suaramu putus-putus. You were breaking up. You were breaking up. You were breaking up. Biasa digunakan dalam panggilan telepon. Saya sangat setuju. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. Jangan terlalu keras padaku. Go easy on me. Go easy on me. Go easy on me. Berhentilah mencari alasan. Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses. Biar ku tebak. Let me guess. Let me guess. Let me guess. Tenanglah. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Matikan itu. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Jangan membuatku terburu-buru. Don't rush me. Don't rush me. Don't rush me. Telepon aku ya. Give me a call. Give me a call. Give me a call. Tidak ada lagi. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. Camkan kata-kataku. Mark my words. Mark my words. Mark my words. Saya tidak takut. I have no fear. I have no fear. I have no fear. Pergilah. Just go away. Just go away. Just go away. Di situ kamu rupanya. There you are. There you are. There you are. Tidak sama sekali. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Sama seperti biasanya. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. Nanti aku menyusul ya. I'll catch up with you. I'll catch up with you. I'll catch up with you. Awas. Look out. Look out. Look out. Apakah itu penting? Does it matter? Does it matter? Does it matter? Aku lelah. I'm beat. I'm beat. I'm beat. Seperti yang kamu mau. As you wish. As you wish. As you wish. Apakah kamu punya waktu sebentar? Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? Kenapa tidak kamu katakan padaku? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? Kembalilah. Come back. Come back. Come back. Sesuka hatimu. As you please. As you please. As you please. Kamu bisa datang dan pergi. You can come and go. You can come and go. You can come and go. Mari kita bersenang-senang. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Aku datang. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ada pertanyaan? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Yakinlah. Rest assured. Rest assured. Rest assured. Silakan ambil sendiri. Help yourself. Help yourself. Help yourself. Ada apa denganmu? What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? Siapa yang melakukan ini? Who did this? Who did this? Who did this? Tunggu sebentar. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Apa yang sudah kamu lakukan? What have you done? What have you done? What have you done? Lepaskan jaketmu. Take your jacket off. Take your jacket off. Take your jacket off. Langsung saja ke intinya. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. Aku sangat bersemangat. I'm fired up. I'm fired up. I'm fired up. Itu tanggung jawabmu. It's on you. It's on you. It's on you. Itu salahmu. It's your bad. It's your bad. It's your bad. Kamu salah paham. You've got it wrong. You've got it wrong. You've got it wrong. Apakah sudah jelas? Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear? Hanya itu saja? Is that all? Is that all? Is that all? Jangan mengacaukannya. Don't screw it up. Don't screw it up. Don't screw it up. Kita dalam situasi yang sama. We're in the same boat. We're in the same boat. We're in the same boat.